Hello everyone, welcome to the social science class of grade 8. In this video, we will discuss the history chapter 4, that is rural life and the society, back exercise and question answer. First of all, multiple choice question answer. The first is, when was the permanent settlement of land revenue was introduced? 1775, 1773, 1793, 1813. The correct answer of this question is 1793. Next is, which system of land revenue is also termed as Monroe system? Roytwari system, Izardari system, Mehalwari system, all of these. The correct answer of this question is Roytwari system. Next is, a group of village is called Royat, cultivation, Mahal and royalty. Correct answer of this question is Mahal. Next is, who was the first indigo planter? फर्स्ट इंडिगो प्लांटर कौन सा था जिसने इंडिगो क्रॉप इंडिया में स्टार्ट की थी? करेक्ट आंसर इज लुइस बर्नार्ड, दैट first time start the indigo in India. Next is our fill in the blanks, and first fill up is, dash settlement of revenue collection was introduced in 1793. Answer is permanent settlement. Second, the company suffered heavy loss and decided to dash on the non-farm classes. Correct answer is impose taxes. The company decided to impose taxes on the non-farming classes when he suffered from the heavy losses. Next, Monroe system was also called dash system. Another name is Roytwari system. Dash vehemently resisted the oppression of the farming by the company. कंपनी जो फार्मिंग करवा रही है उसका सबसे ज़्यादा विरोध किसने किया था? आंसर इज फरेजी. नेक्स्ट इज आवर true and false. We have to judge the statement whether these are true or false. First statement is, the permanent system of land revenue was introduced in 1803. The answer is false. This system was introduced in 1793. Next is, the Roytwari system was also known as Monroe system. Correct answer. Indian indigo has no demand in the European market. So answer is false. Indian indigo at that time has a lot of demand in European market. Next, Hari Sharait Ullah of Bengal was the leader of Fezi movement. Answer is true. Hari Sharait Ullah of Bengal was the leader of Fezi movement. So this answer is true. Next is our very short answer type question answer. First is, what do you know about the Izardari system of land revenue? Warren Hastings introduced a system of occasion, the right to collect revenue, and this is known as the Izardari system. Warren Hastings ने ये सिस्टम स्टार्ट किया था. इस सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट की occasion मीन्स नीलामी की जाएगी, और who will give the highest price, that will get the right to collect revenue. Next is, when, where and by whom was the permanent system of land revenue introduced in India? The permanent system of land revenue was introduced by Lord Cornwallis in 1793 in Bengal. Next is, who were the ryots? Ryots were the small land holders. Next, our question is, name the system of land revenue introduced by British in India. British लोगों ने इंडिया में कौन कौन से सिस्टम स्टार्ट किए थे फॉर कलेक्टिंग द लैंड रेवेन्यू? द आंसर इज परमानेंट सेटलमेंट इन 1793, रॉयटवारी सिस्टम इन 1820, महलवाड़ी सिस्टम इन 1822. These are the system started by British in India for collecting the land revenue. That's all about the back exercise and very short answer type question answer of this chapter. In next video, we will discuss the short answer and the long answer of this chapter. I hope these question answer are clear to you. Thank you for watching this video.